Hi royalties, welcome back to Glam Queen of Decor, and if you're new, welcome. Today's video I'm going to be showing you a Glam blue and white tablescape. Now if that sounds interesting, stay tuned. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications. Alright family, let's get this blue and white tablescape started. And we're starting our table by layering it with these chargers, you guys. And these chargers are actually from Dollar Tree. Now we're going to just set up this table. Now just follow me along while I give you some glamorous blue and white tablescape inspiration. And to my Glam family, to make sure you don't miss any of our content here on the Glam Queen of Decor, we upload on Sundays, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 5:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You will have videos on days outside of that to you guys for collaborations, or sometimes I'll give you a bonus video. But make sure you always are looking for content on Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And if you're watching and you haven't become a part of this family, hit that subscribe button. Now you do need to hit that bell twice. It turns blue, then you'll know every time that I am uploading a video. And make sure you do check out all of the Glam Queen branded channels. All of their links for those channels is always down in my description box. Now family, let's get ready for this blue and white Glam tablescape reveal. And to you guys, I will have all of the items used on this tablescape and on my hutch as well. I will have that link down in my description box. And two, I'm going to be bringing you tablescapes that I had pre-recorded, you guys, because you're going to be seeing here very soon that this table is no longer in my space. So I'm trying to get that out and preparing for this upcoming Christmas in July. Make sure you come back every day in the month of July. We're going to have some Glam Christmas spectacular things for you to see. And all of the items that you do see styled in my space, if I created those with the DIY, it will be on my DIY channel. And I will always be including those links in the description box of the video. So if I show you an item that I handmade, the link for it will be in my description. And everyone, thank you so much for tuning in to this glamorous blue and white tablescape. I hope it did inspire you. Also, as a bonus, make sure you come back tomorrow. I do have some more inspiration for you. And if you love restoration hardware, I'm going to be showing you some interior design trends with modern glam restoration hardware. Make sure you do check that out. And if you've been rocking with me for a while, you know your girl can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.